My beloved students, a hearty welcome to English class. Today we are going to study another exercise that is related to conjunction or linking word. Conjunction is a part of speech, as you have studied. Conjunction refers to a word that links one word with the another word in a sentence, or one clause with the another clause. It is also called a joining letter. It's also called a linker. It links, it glues or gums two different words or two different clauses in a sentence. So in this exercise, you have to fill up the blanks using the appropriate linker. But for this, there won't be any clues. You have to do it on your own. So let us try some of the examples. The first one is Deepa cooks rice dash fails to make chapati. Deepa cooks rice dash fails to make chapati. See, here you can see two contrasts here. Being successful in one, not being successful in another. Wherever this kind of contrast or a change comes between the first part and the second part of a sentence, we use the conjunction but. See, but is a conjunction which is used to bring contrast. So she is knowing how to make rice, but she doesn't know how to make chapati. See, but. So first clause is positive, but second clause is negative. So in this way we use first part positive, second part negative. First part happens, second part does not happen or may not happen. That is but. Second one, I waited for my friend dash he came. See, I waited for my friend dash he came. What is the word to be used? You waited for your friend at the bus stop dash he came. Answer is until. This until word, remember, until word can be used as a preposition also, conjunction also. It plays both the roles. But in this sentence, it plays the role of a conjunction. Until he came. Right? Next one, the third one. Children didn't go to school. Children did not go to school dash it was raining. Dash it was raining. What is it? Children didn't go to school dash it was raining. Can I say but it was raining? No, it loses its meaning. What is it? Though it was raining, although it was raining, or it was raining? No. What's the right word? Children didn't go to school as it was raining. As means because it's another word for because. The reason why? Because it was raining, as it was raining. Next one. The fourth example says, the manager rejected the application dash I provided all the required documents. See, the manager rejected the application dash I provided all the required documents. See, manager rejected the application. He rejected. Dash I provided all the documents. I enclosed all the documents with my application. Manager rejected it. What is it? The manager rejected the application though. THOUGH. Though I provided all the required documents. Next one. That is the fifth one. My children dash my parents are coming with me. Very easy. My children dash my parents. My children and my parents. It should be and. So both. Next, sixth. Number 6, Pawan didn't go to school. Pawan didn't go to school, dash, he was suffering from fever. Pawan didn't go to school, dash, he was suffering from fever. What is it? But he was suffering from fever? Though he was suffering from fever? No, he didn't go to school. What is the answer for this? As. So wherever reason comes, as, and in some of the sentence, because, for also comes for some reasons. So this is as. Next, seventh one. Dash, he is rich. Rich. He didn't purchase a car. A car. Dash, he is rich. He didn't purchase a car. What's the answer? Dash, he is rich. He is rich. Not purchased a car. Answer is though. You can use though also, although also. Both have very little difference. So though and although can be used here. Next. Next exercise says eighth one. My brother was ill. My brother was ill. Dash. I took him to hospital. I took him to hospital. My brother was ill. Dash, I took him to hospital. What is it? So, see, once again, reason here. So, I took him to the hospital. Next statement says, nine, he came fast, dash, missed the bus. He came fast, dash, missed the bus. What's the meaning? What's the conjunction to be used here? He came faster. He should have got his bus. Dash, he missed the bus. Answer is but. Here also you see a contrast. Contrast in the second clause. He came fast in order to catch his bus, but missed the bus. Next one, that is the 10th one. She is dash intelligent, dash hardworking. What is this? This sentence has two conjunctions, right? What is it? She is dash intelligent, dash hardworking. What can be used here? So it's a little challenging one and tricky one. We have to, think wisely. What is it? She is dash intelligent, dash hardworking. Answer is she is neither. Neither, neither intelligent nor hardworking. See, this neither nor is also a conjunction. We are joining these two. See, we can say she is not intelligent, she is not hardworking. So these are two sentences. In order to join these two sentences, we can say she is neither intelligent nor hardworking. Neither nor. Both also negative. Neither nor refers to both the actions are negative here. Neither nor, N for neither nor, N for negative, N for not. So remember the meaning of these two conjunctions, neither nor, right? So she is neither intelligent nor hardworking. Next one. There is one more conjunction like that. That is either or. Either this or that. Either drink coffee or drink tea. But any one. You have the choice of any one. Either this or that. Either indoor games or outdoor games. Either cricket or football. See, you have both the options, but you can choose any one. Whereas this neither nor, both are also negative, right? Next one, next exercise. Raju will play today, dash, he gets a chance. These are all 1 mark exercises, right? Raju will play today, dash he gets a chance. If, see, if is also a conjunction. If he gets a chance. If he doesn't get, he won't play. So if is a word of opportunity, right? If, may or may not, possibility, right? Next exercise, that is 12th one. I fell asleep dash, I fell asleep dash, I was watching TV. I fell asleep dash, I was watching TV. I was watching TV, I fell asleep. See, there are two actions which are occurring simultaneously here at the same time. I fell asleep dash, I was watching TV. TV is also on, you are also feeling sleepy, both. What to say? I fell asleep while. See, if both the actions take place at a time, and if you want to join these two actions, then you use while, right? He met with an accident while crossing the road. He met with an accident while crossing the road. See, he was crossing the road and the accident took place at the same time, right? Next one more example. Note all these exercises. I have picked these exercises from all the model question papers I have. I have a set of many model question papers. From all those papers I have picked all these examples just to make you understand it in a better way. One more. 13th one. You better keep quiet. You better keep quiet dash you will be sent outside. We hear these words quite often from our teachers, don't we? You better keep quiet dash you will be sent outside. What is it? Or, see, neither nor, either or, if, while, but, as, though, although, all these prepositions. 14th one. I will phone you dash I arrive when I come. Dash I will phone you dash I arrive. What is it? When I come. When. Answer is when. Last one. See this? The 15th one says, I need to work hard. I need to work hard dash I can pass the examination. I need to work hard dash I can pass the examination. What is the answer? I need to work hard so that I can pass the examination. So far I have dealt with 15 such examples wherein we filled different conjunctions. So hope you got a little bit idea about how to fill this exercise with the appropriate conjunctions. So do not ignore it. It is one of the important exercises as per your question paper pattern. So in my next class, I shall come with many such examples and different types of exercises. For now, it is goodbye. Take very good care of yourselves. Have a great day.